teach you the process of making black tea at home. If you see tea like this in the wild, be sure to pick it back. Pick tea buds, 1 bud and 2 leaves. We can see that the tea growing environment here is very good, because the tea trees are surrounded by bamboo forest. Because of the bamboo forest, the sun will not shine directly on the tea tree, so the tea soap is particularly sweet and soft. Fresh tea leaves are then left to weather on bamboo basket for 24 hours. Just keep the tea folded like this, and then you start rubbing it like this. Knead for 2 minutes, then tea leaves should fall apart once like this, because you want to let the green breath inside the tea out. This kneading process is very tiring. This will take about 90 minutes. Lock the tea leaves behind with your thumb like this. Then twist them in a clockwise direction. If you are too tired, you can also rub in small pinches like this. Now we can see that the tea leaves are slowly turning from green to a little yellow. Then yellow becomes red. Like this, 90% red is fine. Then stack the leaves together 10 to 50 centimeters thick. The cover is cloth that begins to ferment it 4 to 5 hours. The tea leaves now have distinct aroma of apples. The tea leaves are then dried over a charcoal fire. The temperature is around 120 degrees. It can also be dried with natural sunlight. Let's check that the tea leaves are dry. Just powder it like this. Follow me, teach you tea.